A better look at the replacement for the BMW 3 Series, due in a month's time. When we can expect to see the company's next concept car was revealed by BMW AG Chairman of the Board of Management Oliver Zipse during the company's quarterly conference call. The BMW Vision Neue Klasse will be unveiled at the IAA Mobility Show in Munich on September 2nd. The Vision Neue Klasse will be an enhanced version of the Vision Dee, which debuted at the Consumer Electronics Show earlier this year. Eventually, the Vision Dee will evolve into the next-generation all-electric BMW 3 Series, which has already been announced. Once again, we are turning our vision into reality, said Zipse. I can assure you that the Vision Neue Klasse model is almost in series production and will soon be available for purchase. The Vision's large panoramic display, which occupies the entire length of the windshield, hints at BMW's Vision Neue Klasse interior. Other forward-looking technologies, including a modernized ECU, 800-volt charging, and more, should also hint at that idea. Neue is a massive initiative that involves the entire business. According to Zipse, nothing less than the future of the BMW Group, the BMW brand, and our portfolio is at stake. We are working hard to prepare for this, and will continue to invest in cutting-edge technology in the coming years. The Vision Neue Klasse will be BMW's most significant vehicle this decade. Just like the production car it precedes, BMW will be one of the few manufacturers to offer an electric sedan, at a time when most luxury automakers are moving to crossovers. That could give the upcoming 3 Series an edge over competing models. The price of the Porsche 911 by Theon Design is double that of the new GT3 RS. Images and information about Theon Design's latest Porsche 911 restoration, GBR001, have been revealed. GBR001 is designated GBR as it is Theon Design's first creation for the UK. It is based on the 1990 Porsche 964 Carrera 4 and is powered by a 3.8-liter air-cooled flat-six engine that produces 385 horsepower and 290 pound-foot of torque. GBR001 features a carbon fiber body. The slate gray hue, influenced by the finish of Steve McQueen's car in the movie Le Mans, contrasts stunningly with the chrome trim and Fuchs-inspired wheels. The interior has been completely redone and is simply stunning. You are held in place as you grab the 911's modern leather steering wheel, woven leather Recaro seats with body-colored trim and seatbelt openings. All the leather is ghost-tinted, even the sills and transmission tunnel. All of the original plastic components are beautifully recreated with the aluminum interior package using stunning cast aluminum. The gauges now have chrome bezels, and the main touchscreen elements have a satin finish. These elements elevate the interior to a level commensurate with its price. A new HVAC control unit, a vintage Bluetooth-enabled stereo head unit, and a 6-speaker audio system with a focal amplifier are just a few of the amenities that have been installed in the TD. A 5-stage tractive-controlled electronics damping system, refined through a lengthy development process, is also included with the GBR001. Lighter mil-spec wiring cleverly woven into the body of the car, a new air conditioning compressor, and a new electronic power steering pump that has been placed at the front of the car for even better weight distribution have all improved the layout. New tube-shaped air intakes are activated when the 3.8-liter air-cooled flat-six engine is driven on the road. The car will also be more responsive than the original, thanks to tweaked Gen V-built throttle plates, a single-mass flywheel, and Theon's proprietary engine management system. A new Hewland 6-speed gearbox with RS shifter can be used to change gear ratios, ensuring power is sent exclusively to the rear wheels. An all-ceramic exhaust will produce sounds at the driver's request. Like famous 911 Restomotors, TD also demands exorbitant prices for their work. A commissioned 964 costs $480,000 if you don't include the original car.